Hey everybody, my name is Daniel Cristiano and I'm the Eastern Regional Sales Manager with BEGA North America. I'm here today at Ardd+Winter. I'm going to share with you some of the latest and greatest from BEGA. So for those of you who know us, our mission statement is to build quality into everything we do. And that's our people, our product, our processes, and our partners like Ardd+Winter. And our vision statement is to be the industry's premier provider of outdoor architectural lighting, furniture, and control solutions. So let's take a look at some new solutions. Over here on my right, you're seeing our high-performance floodlight. It utilizes our Vortex Optics. Vortex Optics takes the parabolic louvers technology, rotate that 90 degrees on its vertical axis, and it blends the light before it distributes it. So what's really unique about this is you get really great visual comfort and low glare. More importantly, in applications where you're worried about shadowing, let's say that a large branch was to block this floodlight, like my arm. Notice you don't see any shadowing on the backdrop here. So that is our patented Vortex Optics. And if you head over to the BEGA website, type Vortex in the top right corner, you'll see all the solutions that are available with this technology, including our high performance floods, our surface downlights, and our recessed and square linear ingrades. Moving over to the middle section here, you're looking at two surface cylinders available from BEGA. Both of these are going to be IP65 and outdoor rated. The first one here utilizes a technology called hybrid optics. So we use an injection molded silicon optic, not an acrylic or a polycarbonate, so it's not going to yellow, fade, or crack over time. And we pair that with a spun aluminum reflector. You combine those two technologies, hence the term hybrid optics. This is great when the name of the game is efficacy and performance. But when you need a little bit more visual comfort, you want to take a look at Ultradark Optics. So this utilizes a coating called Vanta Black. It is the darkest black coating known to man. It actually absorbs 99.9% of the light that touches it. But why would a lighting company want to utilize a technology that absorbs almost 100% of the light? And the answer is we want to give you the quietest aperture in the industry. We believe that we've done that. So if you take a look as I tilt this towards your field viewing angle, you're going to see really, really good visual comfort and reduced glare. And we do this by taking the LED, we recess it about 3/4 of the way up into the luminaire. We take a honeycomb louver, we coat that in Vanta Black, and then we also coat the aperture in that Vanta Black. So as soon as the light exits the optic and touches that honeycomb louver or that aperture, it's capturing all that stray light. So you're still going to get really strong delivered lumens, but you're going to cut all that unnecessary field angle out, and you're going to get a much more comfortable aperture. Moving over here, this is our Rudy floodlight. One thing you'll learn about BEGA is we got these 5-digit part numbers, but we also got some unique names for our products. And as you learn the brand and you get more intimate, you'll learn these names. The Rudy is a high performance floodlight. This is a 5-degree optic, so a really tight spot in a wide range of lumen outputs and optical distributions. This also pairs really well with our new profile poles, which is a new pole system that we just launched, which is available in square and round, either fully aluminum or with a wood base. That has a channel atop the pole, allowing you to put 2 luminaires on each side of that channel for a total of 8. You can slide them up and down that channel. And last but not least, over here, you're looking at our adjustable ingrade with TriCoat technology. So with ingrades, a lot of times you're using a steel housing, and steel doesn't really have good thermal management capabilities. So you can't really drive those LEDs and get a good efficacy out of that ingrade. Here at BEGA, we use an aluminum housing. But how do we put aluminum in the ground, which is traditionally a very highly corrosive environment? That's where TriCoat technology comes into play. First, we anodize the aluminum. Then we apply a base coat primer, and then we apply our patented Unidure finish. This allows you to use aluminum both in an in-grade and a near-grade application like step lights. In fact, if you look at our step lights and you see TriCoat technology, that's going to be a standard on many of our step lights, which helps them in marine grade and highly corrosive applications. If you want to learn more about the solutions here from BEGA, please head over to the website for Ardd+Winter or at bega-us.com. Thank you.